special friend today.
Hi, I'm Kristen.
And we actually don't know what we're doing.
But if you could tell by the bowls, if you watched your
Last video where we made
Darts,
cactus
right?
darts. Yes, so we did a mystery DIY. You kind of don't know what you're gonna get. The yellow is what you're oh no. Okay. This one is what you're gonna be making.
Okay,
And then this one is a material that you have to use.
gotcha. And we're gonna do separate ones.
So we're both gonna pull both.
Should we do it? I'm nervous. when I watched your first one, you were like, I'm nervous. Like I
was so nervous.
Now I feel that.
It could be hard, it could be easy.
She's the expert. I don't do DIYs ever.
You've done some cute ones though. You did like a bag, like your off-white bag.
Oh yeah, but if you see it up close, it's awful. Are you gonna go first?
Yes, I'm going. Okay, that's what you have to do.
Let's pull them all.
Oh,
Then
okay,
we'll-
okay.
Uh-oh.
Are you thinking through the paper?
I saw it. Okay, you ready?
1, 2, 3.
I got a throw pillow.
I got a dream catcher.
I think I know how to do this. That's hard.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
yellow.
Okay, so now we have to make.
Just I'm eager.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. What the?
What's burlap?
Burlap is like an old school like bag, like the potatoes would come in, and it's like brown and holy, and it's really itchy.
Oh, who would want to throw a lot of that? This is the worst one. Who wrote these?
I did.
Like, yeah, I don't know. I printed them off.
I was
online.
trying to make it hard. I have to make it out of a hanger, actually.
Wire hanger. It's so easy.
I think I have a hanger. I can make like the rim out of the hanger,
Absolutely.
right? So just like bend it and then use some yarn. Oh, it could be, and just cut it.
I just had an idea.
You want to switch?
You can even like not even make it a circle. Keep it a hanger shape and hang like denim and chains and like make it like a fashion dream catcher.
Okay.
Oh my god!
Thank you for that
brilliant.
idea.
We have to keep it.
Yeah,
Honestly,
I mean-
part of me wants to like exchange the burlap, but I really don't want to do that.
Yeah.
Because I think it'll eat me alive.
Yeah. So we're gonna go to the store, and then we're gonna come back, and then we're actually going to accomplish a dream catcher and a throw pillow with a weird material.
Let's do this.
Deep breaths. So we're back from the store.
We got the idea while we were at the store, so it took a little longer than expected. But
Yeah, we were only supposed to be there for like 20 minutes.
yeah, that's what we told her dog. I also got ramen. This is 1 week later, actually. Okay, so I got some burlap. There were so many colors. I got black. If I have to make do with something that's not very tasteful, at least I'm gonna pick the color that I want.
It looks less burlappy. Burlappy?
That's a word.
Burlappy like that.
So I'm gonna make kind of like a rectangle shaped pillow. Majority of it will be burlap, and then the whole back side will be this matte black vinyl. And then on the front, I will have like one kind of offset stripe of the vinyl.
Yeah.
And then
I like it.
And then little, what do you call these? Triangles. And I'm gonna
Okay.
run these down the sides of this strip of vinyl.
Very edgy and chic. Okay, so I'm making a dream catcher. So dream catchers, let's have feathers.
Oh, always.
So we're putting feathers. I got
lot of
some
feathers.
long feathers, and then I'm gonna pair them with these like shorter.
A full bird.
I'm not gonna name him because that's gonna make it even worse.
That's awful.
I'm thinking like a circle in the middle, kind of like tying all the rope to my wire hanger that I have to use. Could have been worse, it could have been burlap.
Literally.
But actually that wouldn't have been that bad
This would
either.
have been fine for a dream catcher.
Yeah, because it could have been like shredded.
Yeah.
Ooh. And then in the middle, I got this like really pretty
A stone.
agate pendant hanging with
All the strings.
all the
like-
string. You get it.
Side note, I'm not MaCenna and I don't do this stuff often, so I'm gonna use one of her old throw pillows as kind of like a stencil to cut out my fabric, and then the old pillows that were inside I'm gonna use to stuff a new pillow. So we're not wasting, we're upcycling a brand new pillow. I don't even know where to start.
First step, you just gotta cut all that out.
Cut.
So we're thinking this hanger needs to be like diamond shaped.
Yeah.
Is this gonna cut through this? What do you think?
Shouldn't you be wearing goggles?
Shield your eyes. That got through it.
Oh, it's not even budging.
That was like all my might.
Like I need to take a nap.
Kids like, no!
You tell him.
You know, sometimes you gotta put like a parent voice behind it. When you were in trouble, did your parents like call you by your middle name? And all
Kristen
of-
Harmony.
Your middle name's Harmony?
Yeah.
Oh my god, that's so cute!
Raised by hippies. What do you get?
Harmony.
Harmony.
It was whack. Oh!
Wait, what did you just do? If you couldn't do,
I just like bent it a couple times.
You do
Whacked
anything.
myself in the face a couple times.
you just have blood. You can use it as a choker.
Wasn't that like a trend that
Like
what
the
year was
thick,
that? Yeah.
thick chokers, yeah.
I love the I wore when I was young comes back.
I'm just praying that low-rise jeans do not come back. I just don't know what I'm gonna do. Low-rise jeans looked bad on me when they were in. My torso is so long.
I don't really think that
Really out of
low-rise
style.
jeans look flattering on really any
Except like Britney Spears.
Yeah, that's true.
She did pull that off. Yay! I cut out both of my things.
Oh my god, you're going so fast! Ah!
I don't think I've ever said burlap so much in one day.
Burlap, burlap,
Burlap.
burlap. I think it's hilarious. I still don't know what I'm doing.
When you have a DIY, you have a plan, but it always goes into some other direction.
Oh yeah.
It still comes out good. It's just like, this wasn't what I was going for.
Oh, this is pretty good.
Oh my gosh. This is so cool.
Right? And then this one, go up here, and then just keep doing that like a bajillion more times.
Yep. It's like a pie. Did you watch You?
Yes.
It's so good.
I need the second season to come out already.
Oh yeah.
He said like don't idolize him or don't like him because the character's not to be liked.
I saw this thing too. Why did I say I saw it? I was talking about it with Scott. Something I said. What? There's times in the show where you start to have sympathy and kind of understand why he's doing what he's doing.
Yeah.
And then you're like, what? No, he's psycho. He killed somebody. Like, spoiler alert.
He kills a lot of people.
And it just goes to show how easily manipulated you can be. Killed somebody. He's held people hostage. Like, sick. Oh, but he's so nice to that kid. And like,
Yeah.
he's really sweet to her. Like,
He's doing it
set
for
up
her.
Yeah. And that's how people get manipulated into toxic relationships.
I was manipulated by him.
Yes, we all were.
Because I do still like it.
Yeah, oh yeah, I'm like, oh, but he's so
Oh, he's
good. The whole time we were watching it, I would still refer to him as Dan Humphrey.
Oh yeah. I call him by his real first name, Penn.
What a cool name.
Right? I want to kind of name my son that.
Penn.
Or just like pen, like a pen you write with. I
What?
love Gossip Girl.
Oh yeah. That and The Office are just, we just keep running. While we're falling asleep, just like background noise, we'll just play
That's
Gossip Girl.
Friends for me.
I never got into Friends. Alex is obsessed with Friends. Like, can quote anything.
That's Denise.
And tell you, oh, it's from episode 6, season 2.
Wow!
After I finished Gossip Girl, I remember feeling like I lost like friends. Like I felt like I like was friends with those people.
Yeah.
It's so weird.
I used to feel that way about a lot of movies and stuff when I was like really young.
Yeah, absolutely. Like I don't ever want to voluntarily be sad. Did you? I only want to talk about it for a second because I don't want to think about it. Did you see A Star Is Born?
No.
End of subject. Everything was amazing. It was just way too sad. I couldn't take it. I was hyperventilating. I was still like,
Really?
like, and
Oh
Scott
my
was like,
God.
it's.
Have you ever gotten a character?
Is that like when they draw you?
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember I got really sad. They made my teeth really big, which I understand it's supposed to be a dramatic version, but like at that, I was like 9, and that's when like people would make fun of me for having big teeth.
No.
So it was just like, he's even making fun of me. Like growing up, it made me sad, but like now I'm like, literally, what am I gonna do about it?
Right, exactly.
Like at least I have a head, as if there's people that don't have heads that are walking around.
Oh, you know, that just like headless girl.
There's someone
over
walking
there.
around like,
Oh, hey.
it's outside your window right now. Just like, have a good day.
Yeah, not nice to see you.
I would feel bad for saying this, but like nobody's offended. I'm so glad I didn't get friendship bracelet. Burlap friendship bracelet. What if you got like a cork friendship bracelet? I guess you could use like wine corks. So ugly.
That's so ugly.
Scary part is dream catchers. Once you do it, if you mess up, like you have to start all the way over. Good luck.
Thanks for the encouragement,
Good luck with
Kristen. So now we're gonna sew her burlap. Whoa! Do you really just pull those through the whole thing?
No.
Oh, I was like,
I
what?
thought you were impressed by the noise I made. Now I'm gonna sew, and by it, I'm gonna sew, I mean she's gonna sew. Or
Do you want to see how fast I can thread this machine? Like, you want to see my talent? I'm messing up. Nerves. Okay,
Good luck.
one in. Turn it inside out.
How fragile is it?
Ooh!
We're even starting a pillow making company.
Yeah, guys, this is the official announcement. It's so cool.
Oh, that's chic.
That's a really nice pillow.
Dope pillow.
I want a burlap pillow.
I know.
Oh my god, this better be amazing. I think we're both the stressful part of this project.
I broke it. I don't want to do this.
You want to switch?
Yeah, let's do that.
Okay, let's switch. Give me this. You deal with this stressfulness. Want some tea?
Ooh, yeah.
The tea, sis.
The tea, sister.
But a completely different type of tea.
Real.
Like real tea.
People also say that, but this is some real.
Oh. Well, this is some real tea. I did it!
Oh, okay.
Now I'm going to sleep on it. It's not comfy. It's super cute.
Oh, it's so cute.
Do you like?
I love it.
It's my baby. You burping the baby?
It's dark outside. It's been years. She's almost done. We're just checking in. I finished mine if you'd like to see.
It's so good. It's so good. Mine's coming along. I gotta add in more feathers and cut the bottom. Does it look like a dream catcher?
Absolutely. This one was a doozy. Like this is all like,
and the hanger keeps moving. So we did it.
show and tell.
Show and tell.
I'm so proud. I feel
I'm
accomplished.
so proud of her too. Hers is so good.
My first like intense DIY. This is like from scratch. Besides the pillows.
But that's okay.
Hey, but there's 2 pillows in here.
So that in and of
that
itself
was
is a DIY.
that was the challenge.
How to make your pillows more
One.
and more
Plush.
plush. I think the hanger dream catcher.
This is just something hard to work with in itself.
Yeah, I wouldn't recommend using a hanger.
Yeah.
Because it's like bending and bowing and changing shape all on its own as you like kind of tighten your strands. So for now, it's real cute.
For a mystery DIY little challenge, I think I killed it. I love this.
So if you guys liked this mystery DIY, we think it turned out pretty good. If you guys like this video, definitely hit the like button below and comment which is your favorite.
Who won?
Yeah, who won? Even though we both win. Hers is really good.
Honestly, if it wasn't for you, I don't think I would have made this pillow though, because she sewed it.
I know. So if you guys want to see more of these mystery DIYs, definitely let us know. And these were pretty fun to make, so maybe we'll do one again. You never know.
Might do it over on my channel, so
Follow Kristen, if you don't already, at Kristen McAtee
on everything.
on everything. So definitely hit the subscribe button if you want to follow along with more DIYs from me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye, guys.
Bye. Okay, now I'm ready.
Wow, I look tired. Oh,
Realistic.
it's dark.
Yeah, it's a new day. Yay!